from the City of Denton. This is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Justin Harmon for the City of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. Thanks for joining us. A neighborhood meeting will be held this Thursday at 6:30 p.m. to receive citizen input regarding the development of the Mockingbird Lane townhomes. The developer will share revised concepts and receive resident feedback. City staff will also be in attendance. The meeting will be held at the Allison Engineering Group conference room on Elm Street. The Splish Splash Dog Bash, Denton's first annual dog pool party, was held Saturday. The event drew local dogs and their humans to connect with one another and raise money for the North Lakes Dog Park.
When I joined in my position back in May, I just threw out the idea of hey, can we do it? And has anybody done it? And the folks at the city at Denton Parks and Rec Department said, let's look into it. And so from there, we just decided to host the event in support of the North Lakes Dog Park as our fundraiser this fall. Our philosophy is that we like to unite people over parks and play, and this is a great opportunity to do that. I would even add pups, people and pups over parks and play. So it's a great opportunity for people to come out and get to see the Civic Center pool in a new light, and really allow dogs to have fun, get engaged, and get exercise. And then people can communicate with one another and connect at a different level than they would any other place. And so that's just one of the benefits, but also financial benefit to the North Lakes Dog Park and helping us raise money.
The deadline to register for this year's Teen Council is September 18th. Students will learn how to play a role in our community through service projects, research, event planning, and more. Teen Council meets twice a month from October to May and is open to students from grades 8 through 12. To learn more and register, visit cityofdenton.com/Teen Council. That does it for this time. I'm Justin Harmon. Thanks for watching. You can catch more city videos at youtube.com, and remember to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.